What we got here is a 2007 Toyota Yaris. What we got, we have a brake light bulb out, left brake light bulb. We have a high mounted center or third brake light bulb also out in this vehicle. So left brake light bulb, right brake light bulb, or running light bulb in the back is going to be a 7443 bulb. So how to get that out? Pretty simple. Got a push tab, just pop the center. Normally on these cars, just pull it back a little bit, right in there. Simple. It's a blade style bulb. That's it right there. Pop it in, fairly simple. In, done. Left brake light bulb, right would be the same, just the opposite side of the car. Third brake light bulb on the Toyota Yaris, 2007. 921 is your third brake light bulb. It's another blade style bulb, similar to the brake light. And basically in a nutshell, just a quarter turn. These can be a little tricky to get out. I'm not going to grab this bulb one-handed because you can see the bulb got real hot and actually melted. So I'm going to grab this bulb carefully with two hands. Here's that bulb. See how hot that bulb got? It melted the glass. Pretty freaky. There it is with the new bulb. And we're in. High mounted stop, third brake light bulb.